Is it the right time to buy or sell Phunware stock? In this video, we will delve deeper into Phunware. We previously released a report on our website on Friday, January 19, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since January 18, 2024, our system has identified Phunware as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.36. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a notable gain of 4.67%. This means that, on average, it has achieved a daily return of 2.33% since being classified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a significant downward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further decline. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of approximately minus 13.01% over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from minus 83.74% to 43.17%. The 12-month trend indicates a potential minus 71.03% change over the next year. This could result in a return between minus 100% and minus 53.35%. In terms of price, it could mean a range of $0 to $0.118 after 12 months. Our latest update for Phunware brings some interesting news. On Friday, the stock price of Phunware Inc. had a volatile ride, moving between $0.180 and $0.263. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. On the last trading day, the stock price of Phunware Inc. rose by 4.67%, going from $0.242 to $0.253. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 46.11%, reaching a low of $0.180 and a high of $0.263. It's worth noting that the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has experienced a significant increase of 228.24% over the past 2 weeks. With regards to trading volume, there was a decrease of minus 68 million shares on the last day. In total, approximately 542 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of $137.29 million. It's important to consider that when volume falls on higher prices, it may indicate a divergence and could be an early warning sign of possible changes in the coming days. Moving on to the 52-week performance, the highest price reached by the stock was $1.15, while the lowest price was $0.0701. Currently, the stock price is 77.97% or 90 cents below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 99.95% or $549.75 below the all-time high, which was recorded on January 10, 2019, when the price reached $550. Analysts have given Phunware stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. However, in terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a sell rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals to look out for in Phunware Inc. stock. Phunware Inc. stock has received positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a promising outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is higher than the long-term average. In case of a downward correction, the stock may find support at the levels of $0.186 and $0.110. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it could trigger sell signals. Another buy signal comes from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's important to note that despite the stock's price increase, the trading volume has decreased. This divergence between volume and price could be an early warning, so it's crucial to closely monitor the stock. On the flip side, there have been some negative signals that could impact its short-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 16, 2024, resulting in a 39.68% decline so far. The stock is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is identified. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator is currently showing a buy signal. The pivots indicator generated a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average is signaling a buy 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 5 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we observe that the short moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average on the 12-month chart also provided a buy signal 5 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today we'll discuss support, risk, and stop-loss for Phunware. Phunware Inc. has found support from accumulated volume at $0.242. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock exhibits high volatility. The Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval, suggesting very high risk for this stock. In the past day, the stock had a price range of $0.0830, representing a significant 46.11% fluctuation between the high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 81.47%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Phunware, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they either have negative earnings or they are losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through challenging periods due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.0500. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Phunware. One interesting aspect is that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, it would be wise to enter a position and monitor the volume to determine the perfect exit point. On the downside, Phunware encounters its first support level at $0.242. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound. The overall average rating for Phunware from multiple analysts is neutral. Now let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 1, 2023, Olive Christopher D. bought 4,000 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, Olive Christopher D. bought another 4,000 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, Snavely Michael sold 83,903 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, Snavely Michael sold another 83,903 shares of common stock. On November 15, 2023, Snavely Michael sold 192,399 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 54.854. Overall, insiders have purchased 9,444,046 shares and sold 2,662,844 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop-loss for this stock is set at $0.240, which is a decrease of 5.26%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, making it quite risky. In fact, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 3 days ago. Is Phunware stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals. We believe there is a potential buying opportunity at the current level, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. When trading begins on Monday, January 22nd, we anticipate Phunware to open down by $0.0213, with an initial trading price of $0.232. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember that it comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? We appreciate your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for being here.